Welcome to the part 2 video of science class Endemic Species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals that can be only seen in a particular area. They cannot be found anywhere else. Example: sal and wild mango are endemic flora of Pachmarhi. Bison, Indian giant squirrel, and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuary are areas where animals are protected from disturbance to them. Here, killing or capturing of animals is strictly prohibited, and it is a punishable offense according to the law. National Park. National Park are areas reserved for wildlife. They can freely use their habitats and natural resources. Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest in India. Endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals whose numbers are declining and in future they might face extinction. Example: tiger is one of such animals which are slowly diminishing. To protect the tiger, in our country the government has launched the Project Tiger. Dinosaurs have already become extinct. That is, they are no longer in the earth. Red data books are the books which keeps a record of all endangered plants and animals. Students, what do you mean by ecosystem? Ecosystem consists of plants, animals and microorganisms living in an area. Ecosystem does not only contains living organisms but also non-living components like climate, water, soil, river deltas, etc. Migration. Migration means movement of animals from their own habitat to other habitat for a particular time period of year due to climatic changes or for breeding. Birds which fly very long distances to reach another land are called migratory birds. Example: Siberian crane. Red data book. Here you can see the picture of red data book. It keeps a record of all endangered animals and plants. It is maintained internationally by an organization. India also maintains red data book. Recycling of paper. What do you mean by recycling? The process of converting waste materials into a usable material is known as recycling. We know that we obtain paper from wood. About 17 full-grown trees are required to produce 1 ton of paper. Paper can be recycled about 5 to 7 times for its use. So we should save, reuse and recycle paper to save not only trees but also to save energy, water and chemicals that we use to make paper. Students, in the beginning of this chapter, you have learned what is deforestation, isn't it? Deforestation is the cutting or clearing down of trees. So, what do you mean by reforestation? It is the restocking of destroyed forest by planting new trees. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. We have already caused a lot of damage to our forest. If we have to regain our green wealth, restoration is the only option.